Hi friends, for our music lesson this week, I want to talk to you about pitch. Pitch is how high or how low a sound is in a song. You can hear pitch changes on all the songs that you listen to. Just think about how the singer's voice goes high and low and in between to help move the melody along. So here's an example of a pitch change in a song that I know you're going to recognize. Okay, listen. Does that sound familiar? Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Think about how the song moves from high and it works itself back down to low. And we're going to talk more about how we can read musical notes and understand pitch on a staff. But for today, this is just an introduction. So here's what I want you to do today, okay? There it is. I want you to listen to a few of your favorite songs. It can be any song that you like, but I want you to listen to how the pitch of the singer changes throughout the song. And you're going to track that on a piece of paper by doodling. Now, the last time I had you listen to Surprise Symphony and just draw doodles and lines with whatever sounded right to you. Today, I want you to use line to track how high the singer goes and how low the singer goes, okay? And then start comparing that to other songs that you love. How is it the same? How is it different? And think about, how does pitch make you feel? When a singer sings really high, what feelings do you get from the song? Or when they sing really low, how does that make you feel? Pitch uses our emotions to help communicate in music, and it's really interesting to listen to songs to see how that plays out. So that's your job for today. And if you want to take a picture of your doodle and share in our next class together, I would love that. But that's all that I have for you today. So I will see you next time. Goodbye.